Hello, I'm Santara.
And I'm Worel.
And we're here to share with you a secret about apprenticeship.
Okay, so it's not really a secret, but sometimes it seems that way. Growing up, the only other options we've ever heard about from our teachers or counselors or even our parents, go to college or join the military. Well, we're here to tell you about another pathway to help you achieve your career goals, joining apprenticeships in the construction trades.
No matter what stage you're at in life, construction apprenticeship is a great way to get you started on a new and exciting career. It's the other four-year degree with some big differences.
When you're an apprentice, you do most of the learning on the job, which means you're getting paid good wages and benefits while you're developing the skills you need to master the profession.
And in addition to the on-the-job training, you get free classroom instruction with real industry professionals to help you round out your skills with the knowledge you need to succeed.
So, in a construction trades apprenticeship, you earn while you learn and have no student loans to pay back.
And once you finish, you'll have mastered a skill that's not only high in demand, but you'll be making more than you typically would, even with a bachelor's degree.
This video is designed to help you learn about all the great reasons to pursue an apprenticeship in the construction trades and how to get started, because this is definitely a secret worth sharing.
Don't just take it from us. Let's hear what some other apprentices have to say.
My name is Cameryn Talifero. I'm originally from Maine, moved to Alaska in about 2011. I'm a second-year apprentice with the ironworkers. One of the biggest things that appeals to me about the construction trades is just getting to work outside every day, work with my hands, create something tangible that I can, walking down the street, I can look up at that and say, I was a part of that, making my city more beautiful. I got to be part of that. After I complete my apprenticeship and journey out, I definitely look forward to being able to help not only my union more by becoming an officer or something like that, but being able to encourage more women to join the trades, being an example and saying, look, we really can do this if you want to.
My name is Jana Mabie. I am a third-year telecommunications apprentice with the IBW Apprenticeship School. What made me want to pursue an apprenticeship was I actually started the student to apprenticeship program when I was both a junior and senior in high school, and I fell in love with the program. I'm a second generation union member, IBW specifically, and I knew that I wanted to get into the trades. I would encourage others to consider apprenticeship because I think it's a cheat code for success. You get paid to learn, you get bonuses and raises every 1,000 hours until you're at 100% scale. You get a healthy wage. And on top of that, you get things like pension, retirement, and healthcare benefits. I think apprenticeship program is different because it really allows you the opportunity to master a skilled trade without having to go into debt to do so. I really look forward to becoming a journeyman. It's been something I've been working for the past 5 years. I think that's a really earned honor that you get to call yourself. And then ideally within the next 5 to 10 years, I think it would be really neat to open up my own communication shop. So that's probably next on the board for me.
My name is David Apperson. I am a fifth-year apprentice with Local 367 in Anchorage, Alaska. I chose to pursue an apprenticeship with the UA after studying mechanical engineering and earning my professional engineering license. It seemed to me that if I sincerely wanted to become the best engineer that I could be, that I needed to know how to build things myself with my own two hands. And so I chose an apprenticeship with the UA so that I could learn how to do that. Best thing about my experience in the apprenticeship so far is without a doubt the people. Both the people that I've met in the UA and through the apprenticeship directly, and also my co-workers at Cool Air Mechanical. This career path has benefited me significantly because I feel like I'm able to finally marry my intellectual and academic understanding of my engineering background with the very hands-on, visceral, get-it-done mentality of the trades. And I now feel like I have a much broader understanding of the plumbing and HVAC world. I would encourage anyone to pursue an apprenticeship in the construction trades because it's a fantastic way to make a living. You get paid throughout your apprenticeship. You have a hands-on skill that your neighbors and community need. I've had an amazing time in my experience in this apprenticeship and my experience working for Cool Air Mechanical. I've got to work on amazing systems at power plants, offshore oil and gas rigs, hospitals. It's been really incredible to see what it takes to make our society run, and I feel so thankful and fortunate that I get to be a part of that.
My name is Cameryn Olson. I'm 21 years old and I'm a second-year apprentice with the Alaska Operating Engineers. My dad is a heavy equipment operator in Golovin, and I grew up going to work with him. Once I graduated high school, I completed a 40-hour class with Alaska Works Partnership at the Palmer Training Center, and when that week was done, I knew that this was something that I wanted to continue doing. You can be paid to learn. There's no student loan debt, and the feeling of accomplishment is second to none.
I think one of the biggest benefits is being able to get some higher education and being paid for it while you're getting that higher education. We have so many practical things here that we can do, right? We have furnaces and boilers and things that we can work on, and we can mess up and it's fine, you know? And then we can learn from those experiences going forward. We don't have to make those mistakes out in the field. As far as the pension goes, it just adds so much comfort for me. Really, this trade, the way I think of it, having this job and being in this union and has enabled me to live the American dream.
My name is Emily Worel, and I'm an apprentice, a labor apprentice for 942. I've been an apprentice about 3 years. I am a third-year apprentice, and I have bought myself a condo. Being paid this wage has made it possible for me to show that I have a stable financial support. The apprenticeship has a bunch of training for you to do, and then they'll give you a chance to figure out what it is your niche is in each on the field. So you can really enjoy what you do.
My name is Katarina Colbert. I'm a second-year apprentice, and I wanted to pursue an apprenticeship because of the more in-depth training I would be able to receive, as well as the safety certificates. What I find most appealing about construction, specifically the kind that I do, is that you get to see a finished product at the end of the day. So it's not just doing the same thing all day, every day, day in and day out. You have different job sites, different projects, and it's very satisfying to me. This career path has benefited me in many different ways, especially just the different types of job experience that I now have and am still gaining, as well as the people and connections that I've made through my union and on different job sites. My best experience in construction so far is definitely how welcoming everyone has been, as well as hopeful in teaching me, as, like I said, I didn't have a lot of experience in this sort of thing, so I was learning everything from scratch.
As you can see, apprenticing in the construction trades can be a great start to a successful and enjoyable career. The opportunity is open to everybody, but it's construction for you.
That's a great question to consider. Construction in Alaska is unique, and it's always changing. You could be indoors in a warm cab, or you could be working outside in the elements. Sometimes you might work long hours, other times not. Even the location can change frequently, so you have to be ready for travel.
The work is challenging, but it's rewarding too. But it's not for everybody. But if it's my Alaskan lifestyle, work hard, play hard.
Are you ready to get started? The first thing you have to do is decide which trade is right for you. To get an idea of the different construction apprenticeships that are available, check out AATCA.org. There you'll find everything you need to know about the kind of work they do, how much it pays, and how to apply. They even have links under each apprenticeship site where you can learn more about the trades that interest you.
Want to try it out before you decide? Alaska Works Partnership has free, hands-on training in several different types of construction. They've got something for everybody, but they also do specific training classes for women, veterans, or transitioning service members, those that live in rural communities, and even kids that are still in high school.
Alaska Works also offers classes that can help you be more prepared to enter any of the construction apprenticeships. Classes like blueprint reading, construction math, safety, and even interview skills. All you have to do is go online and apply at alaskaworks.org.
And if you are still in school but want to start planning for after you graduate, there are a lot of different high school programs where you can start learning construction skills right now. Talk to your counselor, ask them what career and technical education options are available in your area, and find out how you can participate.
So now that you know the secret, we hope that you'll check it out and apply for one of the many Alaska construction apprenticeships that are available and ready to invest in you.
Learning a trade might be one of the best decisions you'll ever make.
On behalf of the Alaska Apprenticeship Training Coordinators Association and the State of Alaska Department of Labor, thanks for watching.